there are 200 ways to generate carbon credits. That means there are 200 types of projects, which can be in nature. Under nature, you have mangroves, forestry, agroforestry, you have regenerative agriculture. Renewable projects are a type of project that avoids emissions and reduces emissions. So they generally also have carbon credits. But over time, as the carbon credit market has matured, renewables has lost something that we call in the carbon credit space as additionality. Will a project take off without carbon credits, without the funding of carbon credits? Then it is not eligible for carbon credits. Renewable projects today in India are very mature. They function on the financials of a power purchase agreement. So any project that is viable from its own economics and does not need carbon credit funding to make it viable is not eligible for carbon credits. To that avail, carbon credits are not available for run-of-the-mill mature solar projects, wind projects, but they are eligible for solar plus battery. They are eligible for pump storage and they are not eligible for hydro. So carbon credits are not eligible for solar, wind and hydro. Instead, there is another token called Renewable Energy Certificate. And we are very happy to say ProClime is one of the largest players in India for that. And Government of Kerala is also a client. And we develop international renewable energy certificates for Kerala's solar and if possible the wind as and when it comes on board, and hopefully soon the hydro sector as well. So IREX or International Renewable Energy Certificates are available for Kerala's energy sector, and for pump storage and for battery energy storage, carbon credits are available.